So how to delete empty lines from process.log file? This is my process.log file. Okay, you can see this sample process output file. There are some few lines or empty lines. In shell script, we can delete this empty lines. There are different way. I'll show you one by one. So one is we can use simple std command and find the pattern of empty line using regex and delete this empty line from process.log file. This is simple line. So anchor dollar combination, it's a regex pattern to match this empty line. Here action is delete action. So regex pattern and action. This output you can write it to new file. The file will become to be like a non-empty line content. Another way, using grep command we can find the pattern. Anchor dollar combination will find the pattern. But here if we use -b option, it's not matching this pattern. Not matching the pattern. This is another way to perform, to ignore the empty line and to display the non-empty line. So SCD pattern with action, delete action, grep command basic operation display, but we are using option -b. -b option is ignore this pattern. If I take listing the process, grep followed by bash, then it will print the bash. If I put -b means except bash, remaining all the process will print except bash. So inverse operation, not matching. The same style, except empty line, remaining pattern, and here we use SAD style. In script style, scripting, this is optional. In script style, we can use file handling. Read your data from file. I'm writing in the scripting in the command line, while followed by read, where, and do, and use regex operator, test operator, followed by input and pattern anchor dollar. If the pattern is matched, we can ignore. What is the pattern? Regex, empty line. You can ignore this, or you can put not operator. Then followed by else part and display the non-empty line content. And this is from file. So I have to take input from file, process.log, and display the non-empty line content to screen. So these are the simple way. But the third one is that scripting style. You have to use file handling through scripting without using grep command, std command. It's complete programming logic style. So this is the existing cell like the std command with the pattern and action called delete, or grep with -b option followed by pattern dot delete operation. So if you understand how to delete empty line in the shell scripting environment, so this all this way we can achieve it. Use script style or grep with followed by -b option or std followed by pattern and action operation. Thank you.